Hey friends, if you encounter the green screen of death error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. So first of all, perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Okay, so this is one solution. And the next one is that we can update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Okay, so what would the next solution be? The next solution will be to perform a system restore. To reset the system. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select recovery in the right pane, click on reset PC, select remove everything, and then finally click on cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.